Welcome back to my channel, everybody. Why am I holding a toothbrush? As you all may notice, well, okay, maybe you wouldn't have noticed. So I was scrolling on Twitter one day and I had this bright idea. Well, not really. This other girl had this bright idea to try to apply her eyelashes with some chopsticks. I thought it was pretty cool, pretty easy, pretty simple. So I decided, let's try to do all my makeup with it. Now, I don't know if there's already been somebody who's done this before. I don't do my research before I start doing a video. I'm just gonna start because who likes long intros? Nobody. Disclaimer, I don't know how to hold one of these. So I don't really know what I'm doing. I think that's kind of right. Oh yeah, I feel like I got this. I got this in the bag. In the bazag, if you will. Okay. Just can't use, oh my gosh. First we're gonna start off with my foundation, which is heavy as a, I can't pick it up. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna pick it up with my hand. We're just gonna count how many times I cheated, so I guess it's one. So now I have to grab my good old brush. Just somewhere around here. I forgot primer. Hold it. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness! I got this in the bag. This is good and well impossible. I got this in the bag. There we go. Will this be a failure of a video? Find out next time. Whatever. Got my handy dandy foundation. My hand's under this, so if it falls, I will catch it. Hoping I don't drop this right now. Ah! I have a white floor, by the way. My mom will literally have my head. Before I drop that, I have my mom rip me a new one. I'm just gonna hold it with my hands. Take this brush. It's so easy to do with this brush because it's so big. It can't fall out my hand. We're holding these chopsticks a different way now. Because this, I mean, it's not gonna fall. Just kidding. I got this in the bag. Okay, making progress. Come on, come on, come on, a little bit. I got this in the bag. We're done. That's good enough, honestly. Oh my god. Ah! Ow, this is cramping my hand. Okay, it looks like a 2-year-old. Gosh! My hand is 100% cramping right now. What is it? It's a tiny beauty blender, okay? Not working. Got it! Okay, ow. Hey, I'm filming!
I know. This content's trash. I refuse to.
Seeing my flower. Oh, I didn't say what concealer I use. I use the... You guys don't care. Next, I'm gonna do my eyebrows. That's gonna be fun. I think I'm just going to use this as the brush. At this point, I don't care. I don't know if I told you guys before, but I get zero respect in this out. Is this working? I mean, it's not terrible. Oh man, that was not a good idea. Okay, now I'm gonna take the other chopstick and carve out my brow with it. Not bad! Okay, it's pretty bad.
Okay, we knew it was gonna be hard. You freaking said you wanted to do your makeup with just chopsticks. Did you think it was gonna be easy?
Oops. Oh man. I was just about to say this doesn't look that bad. Now we're gonna blend this out using this brush that's on the floor. Gotta just flick it. Flick of the wrist. Okay. Okay. This is hard. I got this in. How about I hold it like this? Oh, never mind. Oh my gosh. I don't look bad on camera, but in real life, I look like a crackhead. Anastasia. Bronzer. not working out. Sorry. Here's my purple brush. It's already purple because that's how I do my makeup. Nothing's coming. Okay. It's okay though because blending's not necessarily always back and forth, back and forth. Sometimes it's just straight up patting. Don't give up, don't give up, don't give up. I wanna give up. That was in the bag. I look like I just got punched in the face, so maybe purple wasn't the best choice. Oh wait, this is working. Oh my god, what did I do? It's gone. Pinky's up, because my pinky's cramping. And I give up on that eye. Pinch it like that. I'm calm, I'm cool, and I'm collected. Oh! I want to do pink in my inner corner. Or maybe that's doing way too much. Ah! I got this in the bag. Ah! So appealing, I can't let it go! Now it's time for my favorite part, lashes. So I'm just gonna pull them out. This is what the girl did in her video. So this is the one that I have most hope for because I feel like it's probably gonna work the best. I can't get it off the freaking thing. Come on! Okay, that inner corner is definitely not sticking. I am not even gonna lie. That's as good as that one's gonna get. Ah! Yeah, I've cheated multiple times. Alright, well. That's what I get for cheating.
Thanks so much of that.
I got this in the bag. This is how the chopsticks looked in the end after all of this. It looks like somebody just shoved this up there. But that is absolutely it for this tutorial. This was probably the worst 30 minutes of my life. My lips are actually on fire because I used the lip injection lipstick like an idiot. I don't know, freaking stupid. All in all, it looks great on camera. Well, great is a little bit of a stretch. Right here looks so dark on the camera. Like it just looks like a solid line. Oh, it looks like that in real life too. Yeah, that's it for the video. I can't wait to take off this god-awful makeup. And I'll see you guys with my next one. Peace!